Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about the Fearless Momma and what I like about this program. Now, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. If you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, go ahead and click the bell icon next to it. Now, one of the main things I like about the Fearless Momma is that there are 100% instant commissions paid directly to you. Okay, and at this level, the Fearless Momma is only $250. That's one-time payment, and that $250, when you introduce people to the Fearless Momma and they decide to join the Fearless Momma, they will pay you directly. So you get 100% of this commission of $250. Excuse me. Now, for these other payments here and these other commissions, this is for their big ticket program, which is called Six Figure Empire. If you don't want to upgrade into Six Figure Empire, you don't have to. I have not upgraded as of yet, but I do plan to eventually. So you can just stay at the Fearless Momma level, which is $250 for as long as you want. I do intend on upgrading at some point, but right now, just $250 collecting those 100% instant commissions is just fine with me for right now. Another thing that I like about it is that the training that you receive when you purchase the Fearless Momma is marketing strategies. And these are up-to-date marketing strategies. These aren't marketing strategies that were used 5-10 years ago that no longer work. These are strategies that are being used right now on the internet. Craigslist secrets. In the Fearless Mastermind, there are several mastermind sessions here. A 3-part video training on solo ads, Facebook marketing strategies, creating a Facebook page and putting up a $10 Facebook ad, placing classified ads online, talking about autoresponders, how to make sales, AWeber step-by-step video if you want to promote the Fearless Momma, and also how to make a lot of money, big bucks, with your Fearless Momma 2.0 members on your front line, how to upgrade into Six Figure Empire if that's what you want to do, and some more Craigslist training with an 800 link. So you're getting a lot of hours of marketing training, up-to-date marketing training that you can use to promote any business that you're in. It's not necessarily for the Fearless Momma. You can use this training for any business you're in. Okay, so there's also some bonuses in the back office. There are 5 bonuses. The first bonus is what you want to get involved with first. This shows you how to make your first $250 in just 72 hours. You want to watch this 45-minute video, and then down here where it says Shortcut Marketing Guide to $250 Payments, you want to click on that, and that'll bring up a PDF marketing guide that will show you a step-by-step daily method of operation of how to promote your business. Okay? What are the steps that you need to do every single day to promote your business? On the right hand side here, I have this blocked out because this is information that's in the back office. You'll get access to this information when you purchase the Fearless Momma, and I also have my sponsors' personal information. I want to block that out too. Okay, here are some resources for solo ad vendors. Okay, so you can do solo ads in order to generate your first $250. Okay. Also, in the extra goodies section here, there are 7 modules talking about the Fearless Momma. The Fearless Momma is a woman named Tammy who is a 7-figure earner in this business and in Six Figure Empire. Okay, and she is who is the face of the Fearless Momma. Okay, and in these 7 modules, she talks about her humble beginnings. Is this all for real, especially with Six Figure Empire, making those big ticket commissions? Her 100-pound transformation, how it helped her in her business. How to make money from a Jeep, $4,000 made in a single day. when the crap hits the fan, like if things go wrong in your business, what do you do after that? Module 6, if she had to start over again, what are the steps that she would take in order to start over in her business again? And Module 7, the 5 keys that unlock big ticket sales. Okay, so lots of good information in the back office. You got the bonuses, you've got the marketing training, and you've got the extra goodies section with the 7 modules from Tammy herself, and it's pretty straightforward. Another thing that I like about the Fearless Momma is that you don't need your own website. You don't need to create your own lead capture page. Everything is done for you. Okay, you set up your payment processor. You can go through Stripe or PayPal. I prefer Stripe because PayPal is a little more strict than Stripe is. You know, you can set up a free account with Stripe and use that to collect your 100% commissions. And once you set that up, you'll get a link to your own affiliate link to your lead capture page that you set up when you go to activate email preferences. And back here, you can use Aweber, connect your account with Aweber, or you can have the system do the email follow-up for you, and you can choose whichever lead capture page that you want to use in order to generate leads. Okay, and that's what the purpose of a lead capture page is. If you don't know what that is, it's just something that has like an enticing headline like this. People want more information about it. They just click on this big orange button, put in their email address, click go now, and then they'll go to the video presentation page for the Fearless Momma, where Tammy talks a little bit about it, gives a brief overview of it, and shows a case study about it. And then you'll be able to order the Fearless Momma, and your prospects, your leads, will be able to order the Fearless Momma, and then you get the payment. Okay, so another thing that I like about the Fearless Momma is that there are no pass-ups. You know, there are other opportunities, and I'm in one of them, where your second sale doesn't go to you, it gets passed up to your sponsor. Okay, so in a way that kind of sucks because you did all the work, but your sponsor gets your sale. So this has no pass-ups. Every single $250 sale you make goes directly to you and stays with you. Okay, it doesn't go to your sponsor. All right, so that's another thing that I like about the Fearless Momma. So there's a lot of good stuff back here. If you're interested in getting involved with the Fearless Momma and collecting those 100% instant commissions of $250 each, go ahead and click the very first link below this video, and you'll find out more information about it. Okay? Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.